Hello and welcome to Introduction to Sociology. My name is Matthew Irvin, Dr. Matthew Irvin. I'm your course facilitator, okay? Basically, what I want to do is walk you through our Blackboard site so that we know what's going on. Very sorry, I've got a little bit of a late start, but we want to hit the ground running, moving forward. Hopefully, everybody is weathering the snow very well. Let's get started here for a minute. I'm trying to see if I can expand this thing. It doesn't look like I can. So what I'm in is a student view of the course. In other words, I'm seeing the course just as you would see the course. What I'm going to do is post this welcome video as I make it, and it's Friday, January 19th, and we're going to go through everything, and I'll let you know what's going on, when it's going on, and so forth. So please pay attention to this video and watch it to the end. It should be about 11 minutes long. Okay, when you enter the course as a student, and I'm seeing it exactly as you would, what the first thing you want to do is click Announcements. This Announcements is a good way to get started for the week. It's going to tell you, it says New Test here. All that means is that I have edited some tests and quizzes that we're going to be taking. Okay, down here we have a basic list of upcoming assignments. We'll look at that as we move along. I need to write up my faculty information. I'll get that in there. Here is a list of college resources here. But let's scan down here. This Edison email. You can always reach me through the Edison email. But let's go up and look at the syllabus here. Okay. And I deleted these, but nevertheless, the deletion didn't seem to take. So I'll go back. Basically, this is the course description. Okay. Down here, we have the textbook for the class. Yes, there's a textbook. Somebody emailed me and said, "Is there a textbook?" Yeah, there is. Okay. And basically, here's the required technology. Review the Blackboard materials and so forth. For Blackboard issues, let me know, and I will let you know whether or not it's a technical issue or not. Okay, and here's information about if you have a disability, you can contact me, through any time. Basically, though, let me see here. Let me move this over a little bit. Okay. I basically don't answer emails, on the weekend, okay? But I will kind of poke my head in on Sunday night, okay? Basically, here's a email etiquette. Please don't tell me I'm in your class, tell me which class it is, and so forth. It's an introductory sociology class. I teach another one, so please, and then, just say hello and explain. And I'm not, I'm not a big stickler. Just what email does. Please communicate to me as exactly as possible so that I can help you. Okay. So let's look at what we've done here. This is when work is due. Okay. And these are assignments that are online, okay? And these are chapters. It's pretty straightforward. What I've done, okay, you won't see any due dates pop up or reminders. Why? Some people need extra time. They need accommodations, and so forth. So what I've done is, these are open, but don't you please do them as they're due. I'll be going through and grading them. Right, I just didn't put in. I left them open ended, in case there was something that would happen. Okay. You've got some closed note quizzes. And don't worry about this description here. I got to get rid of this. Okay. I've got videos, websites, active application assignments throughout the class. Okay. And their quizzes, there's a final exam. There's discussion assignments, online assignments, a draft of a paper, and the final paper, okay? So please kind of just read through here. I'm going to be looser than this document suggests, but you need to also know that you need to submit your work using Microsoft. You need Microsoft Word, Doc or DocX or RTF. I can't do dot pages if you're a Mac user. I had someone in another college where I work submit one today. I couldn't read it. Okay. Just read through this. I'm not going to. Actually, this is my syllabus down here, right? I don't know why it got duplicated, but there you have it. Okay. I'll be editing that a little bit. Things are a little bit. We'll play it a little faster. And than this would suggest. So don't be overwhelmed by the syllabus, okay? But always start with the announcements. Now, down here, there's links to the library, the tutoring center. But really, what we need to focus on now, and what we'll be doing Tuesday, and Tuesday is going to be, let's see, Tuesday's going to be the 23rd when we meet. Is we're going to be working together in class, and then you can work out of class on week 1. Okay, each of these weekly modules has like an action plan, like an action list for week 1. Okay, infographics. Okay, I think this is what do they have here? Okay, yeah, that's great. That's an infographic. It's a nice slideshow. That'll provide you information. I don't know why anyone would be mowing their lawn during a snowstorm, but hey, that's what's happening outside here. So that's how do I get back down? Okay, how do I close this thing? Let's see here. Give me just a moment. Sorry about this. They completely closed me out. All right, let's stop here for a moment. Sorry about that. That sent me spiraling off, by clicking the wrong link. So this is week 1 here, okay? This is a syllabus, and then let's go to week 1, okay? In week 1, you're going to see an action list, as I was saying before. And it's got materials, the syllabus links, and you're going to read chapters 1 and 2. There'll be a video. I use these videos, Sociology crash course. They're excellent. And then there's an infographic, which is a kind of a PowerPoint slideshow I put together. And then you've got discussion 1, assignment 1, and quiz 1. Okay. In each of these modules, okay, let's look at week 2, right? And you can move ahead. We're going to be looking at paradigms, scientific method. We're going to be looking at theory and method in week 2, right? And then I'm going to ask you, okay, so there's an assignment where you apply this. It's a discussion. There's a short written assignment, and a quiz. Now, the quizzes are not long. They're about like 5 to 8 questions, right? And you can take as much time as you need, and they're open book quizzes, okay? So I want, the quiz to be as much a learning exercise as anything. I'm not trying to trip you up or trick you, right? If we all are able to come to class reasonably and show up, I think we're going to have a great experience together. That said, please make every reasonable effort to come to class. I know occasionally stuff happens, and that's okay. But for a class that meets once a week, we have to cover a good measure of material. All right. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday.